Hello everyone. This week's focus is US Tech 100. The US markets kicked off the week on a stronger note after progress and ending the government shutdown boosted risk appetite, with tech leading the way. So let's check the technicals. So the US Tech 100 has been climbing back after what we can only call a healthy drop. Some aggressive profit taking within the broader uptrend. Right now, prices are hovering around that 25,500 to 25,700 zone. It's a major resistance area and the reaction here is key. Let's zoom in on the 1 hour chart. Since peaking above 26,200, we've seen a series of bearish signals forming constantly. The RSI as well, on both the larger and smaller frames, was clearly overbought, and those bearish pullbacks played out almost perfectly, hitting the exact technical targets we've been tracking. We also closed the market gap around 25,400, a classic scenario, and from there dropped to 25,000 and 24,600, both of which were previously highlighted as important support zones. Now, this rebound keeps the broader uptrend intact. The lower boundary of that rising channel did exactly what it's supposed to do. It absorbed selling pressure and pushed prices higher, giving us roughly a 1,000 point recovery. So, where does this leave us now? Prices are trading in a short range after yesterday's rally, basically taking a breather between 25,400 to 25,700. What we need next is a clear directional move. A retreat to 25,400 or even 25,000 could attract dip buyers again, keeping the structure technically bullish. But a break above 25,700 might just be the signal bulls are waiting for, potentially unlocking the path toward 26,000 and 26,500.